Okay, a Honda Civic FB 2012 to 2014 version, installed for Cogoo S Series 9-inch Android big screen GPS player with Cogoo Night View Plus reverse camera, okay, Honda Civic 2012 to 2014. Okay, 9-inch big screen, 1 gig RAM with 16 gig storage. It's got a OEM big screen casing. Good fitting. OEM Canbus socket plug and play. For reverse, Cogoo Night View Plus reverse camera. FM tuner. Okay, steering control. OEM Canbus socket to connect original steering control. Full menu. Setting. Turn on Wi-Fi. Connect with your phone hotspot for internet. Storage. Change your language. Okay, car setting. Equalizer. System info. Android version 8.1. Okay, 16 gig storage. Okay, this is 1 gig RAM. Display 1024/600 resolution. Support video file up to 1080p Full HD. Factory setting 8888. Okay, adjust brightness. Change your logo. Bluetooth calling. Pairing with your phone Bluetooth, click for the music icon for Bluetooth music. Video input and video output. A 2 USB slot. It's got a 2 USB extension we put in the drawer. So Cogoo S Series, 1 gig RAM with 16 gig storage, 2.5D HD glass screen. Okay, model code CG-AD009S-D, 1 gig RAM, 9-inch Android GPS big screen for Honda Civic 2012 to 2014, installed by OneBiz. Thank you.